Hello, music class. Welcome back to Miss E's Music Room. Today we're going to play a game I like to call Rocket Rhythms, because in Rocket Rhythms, we have to be able to sight read our rhythms pretty quickly without a lot of practice. So let's try and figure out how this will best work. I would say that it's important to clap and say your rhythms. To clap and say tas, TTs, halves, and wholes as you go along too. Clap and say. Second, when we look at our music, we can get some ideas about how we're going to be clapping our rhythms. So we have a 4/4 time signature. The top four tells us that there will be 4 beats in the measure. The bottom 4 is going to tell us which note gets the beat. Since it's a 4, that means the quarter note gets the beat, or the ta. I'm going to look all the way at the end, and I'm going to notice there's a repeat sign. That's a clue that I'll have to go back and do it twice. So I'll do it 2 times through as I play. Let's do a quick practice of what this would be like. Clap and say it with me. 1, 2, here we go. Ta, 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 ti, ti, ta, 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 ti, ti, ta, 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 and then we'd repeat it. Let's try it with music. Now, listen, if you make a mistake, you just got to keep going. But I'm going to help you today. I'm not going to say or clap it with you, but I am going to use my arrow to help you through. Here we go.
Accompaniment 12. 1, 2, ready, begin.
Repeat it. I hope you felt good about that one. Let's go to another one. Now this one, it says track 13. That's information from Miss E. That means that the music's going to be different. So be sure to listen so that you can hear those differences. On this one, we still have a 4/4 time signature. The quarter note is still getting the beat, and we still have a repeat sign, but the patterns of those notes are different. Let's do a quick practice together. Get those hands ready. 1, 2, here we go. Ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. Ta, ta, ti, 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 ti. Ta, ta, ti, 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 ta, ta. And of course, we'll repeat it. Let's do it with music.
Accompaniment 13. 1, 2, ready, begin.
Repeat it. I hope you felt successful with that one. Let's add some half notes in. Now, when we play a half note, what Miss E likes to do is I like to hit on beat 1, carry to beat 2, and say the word half when I clap and say. So if I have 2 of them, it'll go half, half. Now, some of you might know ta, ta, and you are welcome to do that. So you are welcome. Let's practice it together. The quarter note gets the beat. That means that the half note gets 2 beats. There's no repeat sign here. So we're good to go. Let's practice it. 1, 2, here we go. Ta, 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 ta. Half, half. Ta, 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 ta. Half, ta. Let's do it with music.
Accompaniment 4.
You got this.
1, 2, ready, begin.
That wasn't so bad, was it? But what if I were to add in now half rests? Let's take a look at this one. Miss E, which one do you want? I haven't found one I like yet. Oh, Miss E. How about this one? All right. Taking a look at this one right here, we have got half notes, half, or you can say ta, and we have 2 beats of rest. That means this little rectangle that's sitting on top gets 2 beats of silence. So I have to go like this 2 times without saying anything. And I have a repeat sign again, so get ready for that. All right, friends, why don't we practice it first? Let's do track 5. We'll do it first. 1, 2, here we go. Half, half, ta, 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 ta. Half, half. Okay, friends, here's the big challenge, but Miss E will be there all along the way. Let's try it.
Accompaniment 5. 1, 2, ready, begin.
Go back. Are you ready for a bigger challenge? I got one for you. I like to call these in class a super stinker. This is a super stinker. This one has now the whole note and the whole rest. 4 beats of sound, 4 beats of silence, and it looks like a super long one too. So we're going to do our very best today. Let's take a look. We've got a whole note here. When Miss E plays a whole note, I like to hit on beat 1, oh, and carry it for 3 more beats, so for a total of 4 beats. If you want to go like this, ah, you may do so as well. And I got 4 beats of silence. 4 beats of silence. Oh, there's Koda coming to say hello to everybody. Hello, Koda. 4 beats of silence means I put my hands like this 4 times. Let's practice this once, okay? Here we go. Get those hands ready. 4 time signature. Quarter note gets the beat. 1, 2, here we go. Tee, tee, ta, tee, tee, ta, ho. Tee, 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 ta, ta, ta. Tee, tee, ta, tee, tee, ta, tee, 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 ta. And guess what? You'll have to repeat it because it's got a repeat sign. Let's try it with music.
Accompaniment 45.
I'm right here with you.
1, 2, ready, begin.
Music friends, you did a great job today. I'm super proud of you for trying. And I tell you what, if you made a mistake, do not be hard on yourself. In fact, everybody pat yourself on the back for a good job. These are super tricky and hard to do, these rocket rhythms. And the best thing that I can tell you is this. If you made a mistake, don't give up. Go back and try this again. And I promise you, as you practice, it'll get easier and easier as you go. Don't forget to clap and say. If you find that you're only clapping the rhythms, go back and try again and add in the say as well. So I want for you to really give these a good practice because they make us a better musician. And that's what we're trying to do here in the music room. Come back and visit us again, and we will have more fun right here with Miss E and Koda the dog.